If I told you there's one setting in your phone that can instantly improve your focus, save your battery, and reduce distractions, but 90% of people never turn it on, would you believe me? Well, it's already inside your phone. Last week, I turned this on, and my daily screen time dropped by almost 2 hours. No new apps, no subscriptions, no complicated hacks, just one hidden feature. Let me show you exactly how it works. The setting is called Focus Mode on iPhone. It's inside Settings under Focus on Android. You'll find it under Digital Wellbeing. Here's what it does. You choose which apps are allowed to interrupt you. Everything else, blocked. No random notifications, no unnecessary alerts, no social media distractions, and here's the best part, you can schedule it. Imagine your phone automatically blocking Instagram, TikTok, and games while you're working or studying. That's powerful, think about it. How many times have you unlocked your phone just to check one message? And suddenly it's 45 minutes later. That's not lack of discipline, that's design. Apps are built to steal your attention. Focus Mode gives you control back. Now here is a pro tip most people don't know. Turn your screen to grayscale mode during work hours. When your screen loses color, social media becomes instantly less addictive. It sounds simple, but it works. Your brain reacts less to dull colors, so you naturally spend less time scrolling. Productivity experts use this, entrepreneurs use this. Even developers in big tech companies use these features. But most people ignore them because they're hidden in settings. Small changes, massive impact. So here's what I want you to do. Turn on Focus Mode today. Try it for 3 days and comment below how much your screen time drops. If you found this useful, subscribe for more smart tech tips that actually improve your life. See you in the next one.